Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I'll speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start this update with started with update on the British pound versus US dollar. We have here the 30-minute time frame on the left and the daily time frame on the right. So starting from a daily time frame, as alerted in previous forecasts, we had a breakout of the channeling mode and market did a very nice test and rejected the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 1.2395. Market closed in the middle yesterday as well. Market had a down day, but the bar closed in the middle. This is just telling me that there is no actual selling pressure on the way down, so I can expect higher prices on the British pound versus US dollar as long as the low at 1.2363 is holding. So market is just retesting again the 61.8. The 30-minute time frame, we can see here that 30-minute time frame is oversold. So intraday, we see that stochastic is oversold, and that we have a big spread between the fast and slow line. So I definitely can see potential for the rally towards 1.2460 mark, and then potential rally towards a 1.2545 mark. Speaking of the gold market, we can see that market, on Friday we got a big drop, and then market reacted back. Yesterday was more like a neutral day. Today, market traded higher and then sold off. So we can see there's some consolidation here that is happening today compared to yesterday. Again, the 30-minute seems this morning that we have extreme condition on the intraday, and the spread became wide between the fast and slow line. Market is in an oversold area. No specific signs now for any stopping activity, but from my perspective, as long as the gold is trading above the 1937 mark, the higher prices are expected based on my view, and we might see this week potential test of 1983. Now, speaking of the crude oil, this market is in a consolidation. We have a key cluster at 74.40 mark. Market rejected a couple of days ago, and we now have, yesterday was a down day, close in the middle. Today is more like a consolidation. Overall, market is building higher lows. So probably, potential is the market to still hold this consolidation and just trade around this consolidation. But pay attention, this key resistance at 74.50 mark. The downside potential is that market can trade towards 67.60, but so far it's just in a consolidation but building higher low. And the market yesterday, the supply wasn't that strong, so we might see even some retest of the previous day high at 72.36 today. And speaking of the Bitcoin, this is something that I mentioned yesterday. There was a potential for the fake breakout of the lows, and the reaction back was significant. So we can see that market rejected very aggressively and closed on the high. It's a big 2-bar reversal. And today, market went naturally to do the pullback. So from my view, potentially after this, potentially ABC, we might see some upside continuation if there is no bigger supply left on the market. And then in the next period, I will not be surprised the market can retest the 28,300 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.